How to remove Snapchat filters from a photo. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to remove a Snapchat filters from a photo. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to launch a Snapchat app on your phone and make sure to log into your account. Now you have to choose the picture from where you want to remove a Snapchat filters. Now once you have chosen the picture, select the three dots at top right corner of the screen. Now choose Edit a Snap. If you simply swipe towards the left, you will see different kinds of filters. So as you can see, we have made it to the Kiss Me filters for now by Francis. So on this filter, we can simply see the unfiltered photos. So right here, it is the unfiltered photo or video on the Snapchat. So in this way, you can easily remove Snapchat filters from a photo or video. If you wish to send to any Snapchatters, you can select send to, or if you want to save, you can tap export and then easily export it anywhere you'd like to, or simply tap download to download it. So once you do that, you can remove Snapchat filters from a photo. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.